We are here today at Greenwood Furnace State Park in, I don't know where we are. Where are we?
I don't know.
Outside of State College. Does it say?
Is there a town on there?
No, it doesn't
Nearest
say.
town, State College.
So we're near State College at Greenwood Furnace State Park. And I found this hike that we're going to do today in this book. I got it from the library. Yes, I still go to the library. And I'm going to show you. Okay, so Greenwood Furnace State Park. There's a nice little pond, lake, dam. I'm not sure what this is. Body of water. And here are some information and directions on getting here from State College. We're doing a 5.5 mile loop. It's moderate, and then it just gives you some more information. If you want to read about it, you can pause now and take a look. And then there's just some writing about the park. And then it describes the hike that we're doing today. Here are our directions, and here is a map. So if you want to look at this or maybe take a picture, and you can come check it out. And now we're gonna go get started. So as the book says, you start out at the park office, which is located right here. It looks like this. And then we walk up to a church. And then we cross the road and start at the, is it Linwood or Linkwood?
Linwood?
Huh?
Linwood, I think.
I think it's Linwood, the Linwood Trail. So we're gonna go try to find that. So we are walking along the road. The church is right up there. The visitor center is right over there. Here is the church. So you will see this fence, and there are orange blazes on the trees. To your left, that's the way we go. At least I think so. We're gonna find out. It's a Saturday in January, and we did not see any other cars in the parking lot. So I don't know how busy this place gets, but they have like a camping area. I think you can swim in the summer. There's like a beach area. So I think it'd be pretty nice. Going uphill now though. It's not too bad. It's just like a continuous incline. One mile in, we've pretty much been going uphill the whole time. Nothing too extreme, but it has been a climb. And in the book, it says that this is accessible for almost anybody to do. I haven't completed it yet, but I mean, I don't know about that. But we're gonna see. We came to a sign up here. We're gonna see what the rest of the trail has in store. So we're taking a right. We are on the way to Stone Valley Vista. We came from Greenwood Furnace. Here we go. Things have leveled out for the most part. We are just walking along this beautiful trail. And I'm not being sarcastic, it's actually pretty nice. I mean, look at all the different moss, different trees. We're getting into the rocks up there.
Yeah.
Super nice. Haven't seen a single person yet.
I don't think there's going to be anything out.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to see anybody either way. Oh my God, it's green. Here we are in the land of the rocks. Yeah, I think the book lied about everybody being able to do this. I mean, it's not hard. It's not necessarily
It's not hard, it's just
dangerous. What?
Somebody will have a difficult time.
Yeah. If you're not in shape, even remotely, just a little bit, then you might have a problem. I mean, you could probably do it, but it'd be a struggle.
Or we made a wrong turn.
I'm out of breath. And I'm getting hot with all my clothes on. But, all my layers. Not all my clothes. Oh, there we are. I'm like, where do we go? We're going up here to the rocks. Like I said, from down below. So, let's go. Little over a mile and a half in, and we are embarking upon a steep incline.
Makes you wonder, did we fuck up somewhere?
Shh. Back into the rocklands. Almost 2 miles in, leveled out pretty nicely. Is it raining, or is it just from the trees? I think it's just from the trees.
Yeah.
Maybe. Let's hope.
No, it's just from the trees. Oh yeah.
It's windy up here, but we're coming to something good, I think. It's a mailbox. Ooh, wow. We have arrived at Stone Valley Vista. I don't know what's in here, but I'm gonna try to open it. Oh, it's the trail register. Ah, how awesome is that? This is really pretty.
Oh yeah.
On a clear day, oh man. I think we came from over there. Right there. Yeah. And now we're here. I highly recommend this. This is very nice. We came to Stone Valley Vista. We viewed the beautiful viewed the beautiful view. Say that 10 times. And now we're moving on to see what else is up ahead. Here we go. Now what?
Arrive at Stone Valley Vista, an intersection with the Turkey Trail. Turn right and follow the blue blazes beginning your descent.
To the Turkey Trail and the blue blazes. Here we go. Oh, these would be really pretty when they're blooming. What are they? Mountain laurel or rhododendrons or something?
I'm not sure.
That could be totally wrong, but whenever they're blooming, if they even bloom, I think they do, it would be beautiful. You can still see the views as we carry on. Okay, so we've come to the sign, and the blazes are yellow, but it says Turkey Trail that way, so we're gonna go that way.
Hill Road.
So we are descending the mountain, and I'm not sure when that book was written. I should have looked and seen, but the blazes are now yellow and they look fairly new. So we're gonna follow the yellow blazes down the Turkey Trail. Oh yeah, they did used to be blue. You can see where they painted yellow over them. So we're gonna follow the yellow blazes on the Turkey Trail down to the bottom of the mountain and then go from there. Down through the rocks and the wind, here we go. Woo! You can still see the view a little bit in the background. We've made our way almost to the bottom, I think. I have no idea. But we are not seeing any rocks anymore. turned into some trees. And we just reached 3 miles. It's taken an hour and a half. I didn't pause it at the top when we took pictures and did all that fun stuff. There's a old blue blaze on the trail right there. But yeah, so about an hour and a half for 3 miles so far. Still making our way down, but I think we're getting close. We can hear some cars at the road now. So we're gonna see what's up ahead. We also heard a turkey. Didn't see it, but heard it. And that's all the wildlife that we have experienced. Not even a squirrel or anything like that yet. Boy, this would be fun on a sled if there was snow. But it's very steep. Honestly, very steep. Like, I'm like leaning back. The fun.
It's not that far, even if it's wrong.
Yeah, we came to this sign and we're trying to get to Turkey Hill Road. The sign says to go left, but the map says to go right, so we're gonna take a right and see what happens. I'm pretty confident this is the way we want to go, and I think it ends up on Turkey Hill Road, but the opposite side, obviously. We're gonna find out. If it's wrong, we'll just turn around. But I'll keep you updated because it's always an important thing to know when you're trying to take a hike, which way to go. So, yes, take a right at that sign and keep walking. Woof. Maybe. We just reached 4 miles. We are still walking on the same path. Been walking it quite a ways. Whoa, I tripped again. But we are making our way back. I just checked the GPS on my phone and we are heading in the right direction. So we'll see when we get there, which should be soon. But yeah, I think you want to take a right back there where we took the right. So we'll see. We have come upon signage. I don't know. I'm gonna say we want to go left, but let's assess.
Pointed the right way.
Okay, we are gonna try to go left. I think this is right.
Oh, I know where we're at.
No, that's the main road, isn't it? I don't know. Okay, we made it. This is the right way to go. So, you start out at the church. Actually, I'm gonna wait until we're completely back because we aren't back at the truck yet. And then I'll give a full rundown of instructions of how we went because it really is a nice trail. I was just like, I don't know what way to go. But yeah, the directions at the beginning of the book, or in the book that I showed at the beginning, aren't necessarily accurate, but I'll give you a rundown when we are back. And we're almost there. I can see the road. Coming out of the woods onto, is this the road to the campgrounds, I think? So we came out on the Monsell Trail. Right across from it is a little cemetery. These don't even have, like, you can't even see the dates or names or anything. 1892. $1864, I think. $1870. These are also the 1860s and 1870s. So we're walking out to the main road. We parked up there, so we'll make our way there. But first we're gonna go check out over here by the water. Nice little beach over here. So I got a picture doing a yoga pose, and I got my foot sunk in the quicksand here. But we're carrying on to the car. And that concludes the Greenwood Furnace Stone Valley Vista hiking loop extravaganza. So a little recap of how we did it, what we did. It took us about 2.5 hours to do. That's including all of our stops and everything. So I didn't pause it to stop and do all that stuff. But it was about 5 miles is what I clocked it at. And I just checked. The book was published in 2001. So it is not, I think they changed things since then. That's like what, almost 20 years ago. So we parked at the visitor center, and if you walk up the road on the after you park at the visitor center, if you're facing the road, you're going to go left. Walk up that road a little bit. You'll come to a church, which is across the road. Cross the road to the church, and on the left side you'll see orange blazes, and you'll follow those up the hill along like a fence, and then it'll get into the wooded area. You'll go up that hill, make your way to Stone Valley Vista, enjoy the views, carry on to a sign. And then you will see yellow blazes. You'll go right at that sign, go down the hill, come to another sign, take another right, keep following the yellow blazes, and then you'll come to one more sign, take a left, and you'll come out on the, I think it's the Monsell Trail. Is that what I posted it, so you should know. That's where the campground road is and everything. There will be a cemetery across the street. Walk down that road and you'll come to like the beach and the park offices and all of that fun stuff. And then you can just walk back up the road to the car. It's a really nice loop. I definitely recommend it. And while you're here, you can come check out the furnaces and all of that other cool stuff. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope these directions are easy for you to understand, but like I said, that book was published a really long time ago. I didn't realize it, and we made a really nice loop of our own. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next hike.